Hey everybody, Bjorn with Hewitt Jackson Real Estate here again, and today I got part 3 of a 4-part series on the home buying process, the steps that you need to take to get moving in the right direction, so to speak. All right, step number 1 and 2, they're back there on other videos. If you haven't watched them, make sure you hit that subscribe button, then you won't miss anything, and also go back and watch those ones. Anyhow, step 3 of 4 is to get pre-approved for a mortgage. All right? You can look at all the houses you want and wish and dream and hope, but until you know how much you can borrow, how much house you can afford, it's kind of all for nothing. All right? Now, the pre-approval process is not that painful. It's usually an issue of getting some tax documents and pay stubs and bank accounts in order. And a lot of the brokers that I work with have got great online portals so you can upload that stuff and make life real easy. We'll cover that more when it gets to that point. But you want to get pre-approved. Don't know where to find a lender? Here's my first suggestion. Of course, reach out to me. I've got a handful that I can connect you with. Or look for people in your community that work in lending. There's a lot of benefits of working with somebody that's got a brick and mortar office. Somebody that'll pick up the phone on the second ring. Again, if you need somebody, reach out to me and I will help you in any way, shape, or form I can. All right, I will be back with part 4 before you know it. We'll see you then.